As rains drop patterns again is the winter's pain. A quiet sympathy of the nature unfolds. The world outside softens under a veil of mists. Each topic a small messenger of the renewal. In this silence, embrace of rain, the year is inbound with the creeps. Earth is skin refreshing the sense and super nostalgia. Through the curtain of rain, life takes one a gentle rhythm. Street glints with the reflex of the non light, casting a surreal glow upon the wet pavements. Umbrella bob like color bones navigating through the drawn roads. Their wind arts hurdle benefit, finning soul in the scored shelter.